Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that could shake up the financial world like never before. Imagine a future where Brazilian payments are faster, more secure, and completely digital. Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's exactly what Drex, Brazil's new central bank digital currency, or CBDC, aims to do. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about Drex? Picture this. No more long waiting times for transactions to clear, no more dealing with multiple payment systems, and a significant reduction in transaction fees. Drex is designed to streamline the entire payment process, making it more efficient and user-friendly for everyone involved. So, let's break down how Drex could revolutionize Brazilian payments. First off, Drex is built on blockchain technology. This means it's decentralized and incredibly secure, reducing the risk of fraud and ensuring that every transaction is transparent and traceable. For businesses, this could mean smoother operations and less paperwork. But it's not just businesses that stand to benefit. For everyday users, Drex could make banking more accessible. Imagine being able to transfer money instantly, 24/7, without worrying about bank hours or holidays. Plus, with lower transaction fees, you'll get to keep more of your hard-earned money. Another game changer is how Drex can integrate with existing financial systems. Unlike cryptocurrencies that operate outside traditional banking, Drex is designed to work within the current financial framework. This means you can use it alongside your regular bank accounts and cards, making it a seamless addition to your financial toolkit. But wait, there's more! Drex also has the potential to boost financial inclusion in Brazil. By providing a digital currency that's easy to use and accessible to everyone, it could help bring banking services to underserved communities. This could play a crucial role in reducing economic inequality and promoting financial literacy. Of course, like any new technology, Drex will come with its own set of challenges. Ensuring privacy and security, gaining public trust, and navigating regulatory hurdles are just a few of the obstacles that lie ahead. But if these challenges can be overcome, the potential benefits are enormous. So, there you have it. Drex is not just another digital currency, it's a groundbreaking initiative that could transform the way Brazilians handle money. From faster transactions and lower fees to greater financial inclusion, Drex has the potential to make a significant impact on the economy. It sounds good, right? But don't forget the differences between CBDCs and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is decentralized. Bitcoin operates on a blockchain network, which is a distributed ledger controlled by no single entity. This makes it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Limited supply. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, making it potentially deflationary. Anonymous. Transactions on the Bitcoin network are pseudonymous, meaning users can choose to remain anonymous. Independent of governments, Bitcoin is not tied to any government or central authority. Pause. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are centralized. CBDCs are issued and controlled by central banks, giving them the power to regulate and monitor their use. Potentially infinite supply. Central banks can create or destroy CBDCs as needed, making them potentially inflationary or deflationary. Identifiable transactions. CBDC transactions are typically traceable and can be linked to specific individuals or entities. Government-backed. CBDCs are backed by the issuing government, which can provide a degree of security and stability. In summary, Bitcoin is a decentralized, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency, while CBDCs are digital currencies issued by central banks. The key differences lie in their governance, supply, anonymity, and relationship with governments. Is the future of payments in Brazil about to get brighter than ever? We can't be sure, but the possibilities are endless. Keep an eye on this space for an exciting journey. If you're as excited as I am about the possibilities, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, keep exploring the world of crypto.